Growing up, I thought I was going to go to college, and that was always the plan until probably my junior year of high school. And that's when I really started working with my hands. My name is Colby Grimes. I'm from Kaufman, Texas. I'm 19 years old. And before this, I was doing paint and body work for my dad. He owns a collision repair shop. I did it for about 2 years. While working for my dad, we had multiple people come in and call us asking if we could work on their own RVs. And now we did come in and do a couple, just some main body work, but it got me kind of interested in wanting to work on my RVs. When we found NRVTA, it just felt like the right fit. I chose to come here for the 5 weeks to get my technician certification. At first, I was very scared and overwhelmed and nervous, but as the week went on, Todd was a great instructor, and the rest of the instructors were really good at really helping you understand what they were talking about. And at first, all the information that got thrown at me was everywhere in my head, and I didn't know what I was thinking. But as the week went on and I got my hands on it, it really came to me and I understood what I was doing. With my plan, I'm really excited to get out there, to help people, to travel if I want, and you still make a really good living. And with this course only being 5 weeks, if you're looking for a trade to get into, I think this is the one. At National RV Training Academy, they're really great. My dad and my mom are both very happy in the trade I picked, and they think it's a really good idea.